Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of December, 2023. We're going to give you all an Ordinal price prediction update into the market real quick. You guys can see already off of my chart that our last price prediction in ORDI, we was looking for the market to go down, and you guys can see that it hovered slightly above our buy zone for multiple days. This particular type of price action simply tells you that the market was absorbing. The buyers were holding price in Ordinal on these trading days right here. All of these trading days right here, the buyers were holding the price. That is why the market ran up on December the 25th, 2023, up 44.25%. All of these days right here built up all of that energy to allow Ordinal to run up 44%. So now what we're going to do here is, the market in Ordinal still bullish? Of course it is. The trend in Ordinal is still trending to the upside. We're not going to change that thesis yet. The only way that we would change that thesis is if the market in Ordinal breaks this trend. Okay, that's the only way we'll change it. So as of right now, I'm still looking for the price in Ordinal to go higher, basically off of this one trend line that I just created. That's it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and clean this up. Hopefully you was able to grab some of that profit into the market in Ordinal at our first TV price. We wanted to see the market come and bounce off of either one of these two buy zones here at the bottom, and it came shy of this first buy zone on the 11th, and then on the 13th, and then on the 18th. So very good to see the market hold those areas for buy zones. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to maintain this buy zone here into the market in Ordinal. Matter of fact, I'm just going to bring it up a little bit higher. Okay, we're going to compensate and follow the buyers into the market in Ordinal. Okay, now the market strength was so strong yesterday that the buyers even took out all of the sellers at this last area of selling, this sell zone up here at the top. That's very good too. So we can get rid of that. Now we're going to break down and look at today's price action to see where the most recent sell zone is into the market in Ordinal, and it's right here. Okay, so this is the most recent, most important sell zone now that the buyers into the market in Ordinal will have to break above. Okay, here you guys can see it here, 30-minute chart, that we have buyers hitting the market right around here. Okay, this is on a shorter time frame, so we could break this down like to a 5-minute to even see that a little bit closer. So yeah, that's where the buyers are into the market in Ordinal, and you can see off of the 5-minute chart that they're propping up the price. Whenever the price in Ordinal comes to this buy zone, it bounces and goes up. Same thing here. Every time the price comes down to that buy zone, it holds support and it bounces. So that tells us that this is the current, most recent, important area for the buyers into the market in Ordinal. Okay, so let me dwindle this down because now we have another buy zone right here. Okay, so let's look at this on the weekly chart real quick in Ordinal. Currently on the weekly time frame, we're definitely seeing some selling hitting the market. It's not a lot of selling because of the volume right now. Okay, we still have a long time, 5 days, 8 hours to look at the market in Ordinal there. Okay, so let's look at this on the 5-day. 7 hours and 46 minutes left on this current 5-day bar. And again, it still represents selling though. Let's look at this on the 3. You guys can see it there too. Okay, 7 hours and 45 minutes left on this current 3-day, but it still looks weak. Here it is on the 2. So we still have 7 hours and 45 minutes left on the 2-day time frame, the 3 and the 5. But currently, all 3 of those time frames still shows us that the market is getting hit with selling. So we need to determine, okay, where will the buyer need to stage, or shall I say, where should they be willing to buy up this currency in order to not let price continue to go down? And it looked like it's going to be right here, this buy zone that we just created, no lower than like $58, $59. Okay, so as of right now, I'm looking for the price in order to go down. But with that stated, like I did on our last video in Ordinal, if the price holds buy zones, then the market won't go too far. Okay, it won't. So let's go ahead and look at this here in Ordinal. because these would be my targets here. So the first target is like maybe 5.5, $64.55 away from the first target, 6% move there. Then my second target would be here around like $60.15. Those are the two areas that I'm looking for the buyers to hit the market again to keep the price from falling further. Okay, because like I said, we're still trending bullish to the upside in order. The market is still bullish because the price is still keeping in line with the trend. I think we're going to get some profit taking over the next day or so. And then from there, the market should come back into some type of equilibrium, trade sideways, consolidate, whatever you want to call it. And then we should see the market continue to go higher in price. Pretty much like what we did here, right? You guys can see that the market just consolidated. That's what I'm looking forward to here into the market in Ordinal before it continues to try to shoot higher. So let's let the market go through its profit taking right now, which is why this price prediction is on my chart. I'm just trying to see how far the profit taking is going to go before the market buyers come back into this space, and we'll see. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different. I'm gonna bring it down to a third target at $57.11 too, 16.85% there.